Hello, good morning students. Welcome to our YouTube channels Nath online classes. Today I Vidyasagar is in front of class 8 to discuss subject science. The chapter name is synthetic fibers and plastics. With all of you, please like, share and subscribe it. Now let us start the discussions. Today I am here to discuss about some important topic which name is acrylic fibers. Such types of fibers is very important in our day-to-day life. Today I am going to discuss about orlon. In acrylic fibers, orlon and spandex and coraceals and its advantage and disadvantage. These we have to discuss just now. Please concentrate on the video and try to understand all the things taught by us. Now let us start the discussions about this. First of all, orlon. What is orlon? Orlon, as you know, it is acrylic fibers and synthetic fibers. It is synthetic fibers and first things you should remember about orlon, it is made up to 85% of acrylonite units by weight. These used to make orlon fibers and it is made by two types. There are two methods of preparations. First, when ethylene oxide is treated with hydrocyanic acids, then we obtained orlon. And the second is when ethylene is treated in presence of benzyl peroxides. When vinyl cyanides, vinyl cyanides is treated in presence of benzyl peroxides at 40 degrees centigrade, then we obtained these compounds and it is called as vinyl cyanides polymerized orlon. It is called as polymerized orlon. So these are the two methods of preparations of orlon. Now what is its properties? It has very good properties and it shows burning, and on burning it burns like cottons, rayon and cellulose, leaving some black syrupy melted materials on edge. So it is its properties. And second property, it has outstanding resistance to fading in a strong light. These are also. And the third properties, it makes mildew on its surface but has no effect on fibers, and it has good resistance to weak alkalis and acids. It has soft luxurious appearance like silk and has warm feelings. So these are the properties of orlons. Now what is its usage? It is used in making of sweaters and also in many types of knitted goods. It is used to making washable fleeces and fur coats. It is used in washable fleeces and fur coats, and it is used for cover porch furnitures, and it is also used in auto covers and curtains. So these are the uses. Now look at spandex or lycra. Lycra, it is discovered in 1959 by Joseph Siver, and this is very important fiber because it shows excellent elastic properties and a strong molecular forces between the polymers, and it is used in swimming suits and caps and making t-shirts. So these are the uses of spandex or lycra. Now corrosion is higher polymers. It is higher polymers and it is uh, obtained from vinyl chloride. It is obtained from vinyl chloride, and its property is very useful because it is waterproof and airproof, and it is for these properties it is used in coating silk, rayon and cotton fabrics. So these are the corrosions now. And one of the best properties of it that it wet and damp resistance. It shows wet and damp resistance. So these are the synthetic fibers. Now looks what is the advantage and disadvantage of some types of fibers which is synthetics. Now advantage it dry very quickly. The most powerful advantage in rainy season, you can use it. There is no problem of drying the clothes, so it is very useful in rainy seasons. And wrinkle free, it is so it is called as wash and wear clothes. And high tensile strengths, it shows high tensile strengths and greater elasticities, and do not shrink. These types of fiber do not shrink. Now disadvantage, along with advantage everything shows some disadvantage, like so synthetic fibers also shows some disadvantage. It has low absorption capacity of water. That's why we don't use to wear these clothes in summer season, because when our body is full of sweats and the sweat is not absorbed by these types of clothes, so it may stick with our body. That's why we avoid to wear the clothes made of synthetic fibers. Now it melt and burn easily, so be careful while cooking, or you may say you should not wear the synthetic fibers while you are in kitchen. Now it is biodegradable, so it cannot be destroyed easily. That's why it may create soil pollutions. And it is statics elasticity, and that's why it is static elasticity. Electricity, it produced static electricity. That's why it may cause a skin problem, so we should be careful while wearing these clothes. So these are the, and one of the best properties of synthetic fibers, it shows blending. Blending means mixing of some another natural fibers with synthetic fibers to make it more comfortable. That's why this process is called as blending. And example of blended cloths is terracotta. When synthetic fibers is mixed with cottons, then the cloth form is called as terracottas. And when it is mixed with silk, then it is called as terry silk. And when it is mixed with wool, then it is called as terry wool. So these are the examples of blending cloths, and these are the explanations about the synthetic fibers of acrylic fibers. Now in next video I will come again with some important topics. Till that I want to say goodbye.